Of this first order differential equations. You have orthogonal trajectories and all, but since that is not in your syllabus, I'm not going to discuss about it. What do you have according to your syllabus is Newton's law of cooling and uh, law of natural growth and decay. These two applications we will discuss. And if I'm not wrong, this also you have done already at +2 level. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Newton's
ma'am.
law of cooling. So, can anyone give me the statement of Newton's law of cooling? Can anyone give the statement of Newton's law of cooling? What does it states?
Heat lost by a body is equals to heat gained by the other body in a given surrounding.
Is it that so?
Ma'am, rate of change of temperature of a body is directly proportional to temperature difference
Yeah,
between the body and its surrounding medium.
yes, that is the statement. The rate of change of temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. Okay, so let me write the statement here. The rate of change of the temperature of a body is proportional to the difference of the temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. So generally we take this surrounding medium as air only. Okay. Now so this is a statement. Now let us see how you will write it in a mathematical form. Suppose you assume theta be the temperature of the body at time t. At time t. So these are all variables we are going to use. Okay, theta is the temperature of the body at certain time t, and theta naught be the temperature of the surrounding temperature of its surrounding medium. So in general, we take usually this as air. Then by Newton's law of cooling, Newton's law of cooling. Yeah. Now, can you give me the mathematical form of this one using these variables? Theta is the temperature of the body at time t. Theta not be the temperature of the medium. What does the statement says? The rate of change of temperature of the body, rate of change of temperature of the body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. So this is the mathematical form of that statement, which is Newton's law of cooling. So if you remove this proportionality sign, you will get d theta by dt is equal to minus k times, k is the constant, proportion constant. So k times of theta minus theta naught. Now tell me why I have used a minus sign here. K is a positive quantity, okay, where k is greater than 0. It can be any positive quantity, constant. But why minus sign is required here?
Rate of cooling.
Because it is
Yeah,
decreasing.
yeah, because the temperature is decreasing. Therefore, minus sign you have. Okay. Now let us discuss the solution of this one. So here you have a differential equation. Is it a differential equation or not in terms of theta and t?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a differential equation. And it is also in which form? Variable separable form. That means with theta I can write with d theta, and t terms I can write with dt. So in this way I can write. Now I need to get the solution for this one. So on integrating, what you are going to get on integrating, okay, let me write d theta by d theta minus theta naught is equal to integ minus k outside integral dt you will get. Okay, so when you integrate it, what you are going to get here? Tell me. For this one, you will get log of theta minus theta naught is equal to minus kt plus a constant. First order differential equation, so a constant you will have. Now to find the C, K values, there will be some initial conditions given. Okay, so initially, suppose if you take, if initially theta is equal to theta 1 is the temperature of the body at time t is equal to 0. So here we are taking time t is equal to 0 initially, but it is not required. Depending upon the question, you can start the initial time. The initial time, if they have given certain minutes, that value you have to consider. So if you take time t is equal to, at t is equal to 0, the temperature of the body is theta 1. You can substitute this here. So what, when you substitute these values here, what you are going to get? What you are going to get? You will get log of, since t is equal to 0, this part won't be there. Theta value is theta 1 minus theta naught is equal to c. So this is your c value. Therefore, the overall solution, now the solution will be equal to what? Log of theta minus theta naught is equal to minus kt plus log theta 1 minus theta naught. Okay, which can be again further can be written as log of theta minus theta naught by theta 1 minus theta naught, which is equal to minus kt, and finally I can write this as theta minus theta naught by theta 1 minus theta naught is equal to e to the power minus kt. So overall from here again theta minus theta naught can be written as e to the power minus kt times of theta 1 minus theta naught. Can I write all, can I do all these things? So now my solution will be theta is equal to theta naught plus e to the power minus kt into theta 1 minus theta naught. Okay, this I have obtained by assuming at t is equal to 0, initially the temperature is theta 1. So depending upon the given question, you will get your constant value. So with this result, what I'm going to get is, I'm going to get the temperature of the body at any time t. The temperature of the body. If I suppose after certain time I want to calculate what would be the temperature of the body, then here I will just put t value and I will get that particular temperature. So this is how you have to solve the problem, which is for Newton's law of cooling. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us solve few problems here. So I will just solve one or two, and few more problems I'll give it to you people. Try them, because this all things you have already done. So here is a question, note down. A body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade and cools down to 60 degree centigrade in 20 minutes. If the temperature of the air is 40 degrees centigrade, find the temperature of the body, find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. This is the question. Okay. A body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. Okay. So this thing is given to you. Now, and what else is given? Temperature of the surrounding medium, which is air, that is given to you 40 degrees centigrade. Now you have to find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. So first of all, tell me what things are given to you. At t is equal to 0. Here according to the question, at t initially, at t is equal to 0, what is the temperature of the body?
80
It is
80
80
degrees.
degrees. centigrade. At T is equal to 20, what is the temperature of the body?
60 degrees Celsius.
60. These things are given to you. And theta naught value is also given to you. Theta naught means temperature of the surrounding. So before writing all these values, you have to explain the problem by writing, suppose this one problem I'll write everything. Let theta be the temperature of the body at time t. Okay, and theta naught be temperature of the surrounding. These all things you will write, surrounding, medium and all. Okay, now you will write given things. At T is equal to 0, theta is 80 degrees centigrade, T is equal to 20, theta is 60, theta naught is 40 degrees. Now by Newton's law of cooling, Newton's law of cooling, we have, what do you have? D theta by dt is equal to minus k times of, what do you have? Theta minus theta naught. This you have, where theta naught is the temperature of the surrounding medium. So you solve it by substituting all the values here. So theta by d theta by theta minus theta naught value you have, and here you will have minus k dt. Now integrate d theta by this you have to do. You don't write the solution directly. These all things you have to write it and then get the solution. Don't jump into the conclusion directly. So on solving it, you will get log of theta minus 40 is equal to minus kt plus some constant. Okay. Now if you further simplify this, here itself instead of c you write it log c. If you can write log c. So this will be equal to log of theta minus 40 by c is equal to minus kt. That means theta minus 40 by c is equal to e to the power minus k. Okay, so this will be theta is equal to, directly I am writing theta minus 40 is equal to c times of e to the power minus k. So this is the solution you can say. Okay, but now we need to find this constant value and all this. So what are the conditions given? At t is equal to 0, theta is how much? Theta is 80.
80.
80. So substitute this value in our solution. In this one you substitute. So when you substitute t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 80. What is c value? Okay, put in 1. Put in 1. So what should be c value? T is equal to 0 means e to the power 0 will be 1. C is equal to 80 minus 40. So what you are going to get? C value is
40.
how much? 40 you will get. Okay, this is one thing. So now our solution is theta minus 40 is equal to 40 times of e to the power minus kt. Now another condition is also given. Okay, with the help of that condition we can find this k value also. Okay, what is the another condition? At t is equal to 20, theta is how much?
60 degrees.
60. So this also we can find. So when you substitute t is equal to 20, you calculate this value and tell me 60. So here you will get 20 is equal to 40 e to the power minus k, and t value you have substituted 20, so 20k. 20k you will get. Simplify this thing, what you are going to get? E to the power minus 20k is equal to 1 by 20 you will get. Is it or not?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, yeah, 1 by 2 you will get. So that means now if I write from here k value, if I want to write k value, what it should be, tell me?
Log 2 by 20.
1 by 20 log.
1 by 2,
1 by
1
20
by
times log 2.
20.
1 by 20
Log 2.
log 2 by. So this is your k value. You can calculate it with your calc. Okay, log 2 substitute chesi. You can calculate it and write down. Okay, so now our solution looks like, how it looks like. Now our solution is what? What do you have? The solution is theta minus 40. Is it or not? C value how much you got? 40. E to the power minus K value is log of 2 by 20 T. Okay. This is your required solution. Now the question is, when T is equal to 40, what is theta? This is the question. So just what you will do in this solution, in this final solution, you substitute T is equal to 40. Okay. So put T is equal to 40 in 2. So when you substitute it, tell me on calculation what is the answer you are going to get. Okay. Theta will be equal to 40 plus 40 times e to the power minus log 2 by 20 into 40. Okay. Solve just చెప్పండి how much you will get this one.
Theta is 50.
Theta is
50 degrees.
50 degrees. So this is the required answer on solving. Check it properly whether this whole thing is correct or not. Be careful.
50 degrees.
Got it? 50 na?
50 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the required solution according to that this given question. All of you got it 50? Only few people will answer as usual.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let us solve another problem. Sometimes what happens, see this is an example where at a certain time you need to find temperature. The question can be in reverse order also. That means they may give the temperature and you need to find the time. At what time the temperature of the body will be a certain value. This you need to calculate. So same procedure you will do. Let us solve this question. Suppose you have a body is kept in air with temperature 25 degrees centigrade, cools from what happened? Just a second. Being stuck. Okay, let me write. Am I able to write? Yes. Just a second. Again, let me write this thing. A body kept in air with temperature 25 degrees centigrade, cools from 140 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. Find when the body cools down to 35 degrees centigrade. This is the question. Okay, so what things are given? You will write all by Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equal to minus k times of theta minus theta naught. All these things you will write, where you will mention that theta naught is temperature of the air, theta is the temperature of the body. All these things you will mention. Okay, so what is here? Let me write. Okay, at t is equal to 0, what is theta?
140 degrees.
At t is equal to 0, theta is 140 degrees. At t is equal to, what is the other value? You tell me. At t is
20
equal
minutes.
to 20 minutes, theta is
80 degrees.
80. What is theta naught?
25 degrees.
25 degrees. So this information is given to you. Now you need to find when theta is equal to 35 degrees centigrade, what will be t? This is your question. At what time theta will be equal to 35 degrees centigrade? This you need to calculate. So let us substitute all the values here. So d theta by dt minus which is equal to minus theta minus, what is that? Theta naught 25. Okay, so on integrating this thing, what you will get? You will get log of theta minus 25 is equal to minus kt plus c. Okay, now let us find all these values here. When t is equal to 0, when t is equal to 0, what is c value? You tell me. When t is equal to 0, what is c value? When t is equal to 0, theta is 140 degrees, na? So what should be my c?
150.
C is equal to
Log
log of
150.
Log 150.
1.5. Okay, why I'm writing this in? So again, I can rewrite it. It's nothing much. In either way, you can solve it, no problem. Okay, so from here, again, when I substitute these things here, what I'm going to get? Kt is equal to log of 115 minus log theta minus 25. Can I write it? This I have substituted in this one
Yes, ma'am.
and rewritten in this form. It's your wish how you write them. Finally, we need to get the C and K values. And again what is given? Again, what else condition is given? At T
T
is
is equals to 20.
equal to theta is how much?
80 degrees.
80 degrees centigrade. So again you substitute here. So when again you substitute, so this is one equation, let it be 2, suppose for example. Okay, at t is equal to 20, your theta is equal to 80 degrees centigrade. So let us substitute there. So when you substitute, you will get kt is equal to log of 115 as it is minus how much you will get? Oh, the t value you have substituted 20. So let me write that. 20k is equal to log of 115 minus log of how much you will get? 80 minus 25 will be
55.
5. Okay, let it be third equation. Either way you can solve it. Okay, here I am not calculating k value, but directly I will solve it. So just what you can do is you can divide these two equations. Okay, you 2 divided by 3 and you get 2 divided by 3, k will be cancelled and overall your question will be in terms of t and theta directly without finding k value. This way also you can solve the problem. Got it all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So divide it. When you divide, automatically you will get kt divided by 20k, and here you will get log of 115 minus log of theta minus 25 divided by again log of 115 minus log of 55. Okay. So from here, when I simplify this thing, uh, yeah, when I simplify this thing, k will be cancelled. I will get t by 20. T by 20 is equal to, you write all these values, log of 115 minus log of theta minus 25 by log of 115 minus log of 55. Now just what you need to do? Tell me what you need to do. Or
So
this
theta
20.
is equal to 35 degrees.
Yeah, yeah. Instead of writing t by 20, I will just write t here, t, and this whole thing multiplied with 20 I can write. So now we need to calculate the time when theta is equal to 35. So you just substitute theta is equal to 35 in this equation 3. 3 or 4, 4. Okay. When theta is equal to 35, we get t is equal to, okay, calculate and tell me how much you get. This is log of 115 minus log of 35 you have substituted here. So 35 minus 25 will be 10 divided by log of 115 minus log 55 and this whole thing multiplied with 20. Okay, calculate and tell me what answer you have got. Got it? For this, you should have your calcis. Better to have calcis. In the exam also, you can use the calculator, scientific calculators. Yeah, someone give the answer. Trying, at least any one of you calculate this thing and tell me the answer. How much you will get? Am I audible? Now when no one answers, it seems whether I'm audible or not.
Ma'am, 66.25.
66.25
25
minutes. What about others? 90 plus students are here. What about others? Only one candidate got the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I got 66.22.
66.54, ma'am.
That you will get because of rounding of the values. Anyhow, you will get 66.2 something you will get. 0.5 rather, 0.2 something you will get. 66.25, maybe few more digits you can write there. So that would be the answer. So will you able to solve the problems related to this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll post few problems today. You try to solve them. And in case if you have any doubt, we can discuss it in the next class. Now let us see law of natural growth and decay. Law of natural growth and decay. Sometimes what happened is the amount of substance at time t may increase or decrease after a certain time. So as t increases, x also increases, the substance also increases. But sometimes what happens, as t increases, as time goes on increasing, your substance may decrease. Can you give some examples related to these two things? As t increases, substance also increases. As t decreases, substance decreases. Can you give one example related to each one of this?
Decaying of any material.
Decay of, yeah, continue. Decay of, what happened? Someone started but not completed the statement. Anyone else?
Nuclear decay, ma'am.
Okay, nuclear decay. Yeah. Okay. So you are talking about decay only. As time increases, substance decreases. What about as time increases, substance also increases? Can you give one
Can you give
example?
one example? Growth of bacteria.
Yeah, growth of bacteria. You all of you eat curd, is it or not? Curd తింటారు కదా? Have you ever seen the curd in microscope?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. You will find bacteria in it. It's a good bacteria. Of course, bacteria is again of two types, good bacteria and bad bacteria. But this curd has a good bacteria. But again, within the time limits only. As 10 months pettaka, you can't eat curd. Okay, of course, until and unless they use the preservatives. So market ones, they use the preservatives. But at home, maximum, if we get it today, by tomorrow we'll complete it at home. Maximum 2 days we will keep it. So there what will happen, bacteria is multiplying, and because of that only, after 2 days if you take the curd is seems to be very sour, pullaga అయిపోతదంట. That is because of bacteria only. So time increases, bacteria also increased there. Okay, so these all things also you have done at +2 level. So what does the statement says is, suppose you have x of t be the amount of a substance at time t and let the substance be getting converted chemically. So due to some chemical process, the substance is being converted. Okay. So a law of chemical conversion states that the rate of change of amount in the quantity, it will change. Quantity, amount, x of t of a chemically changing substance is proportional to the amount of the substance available at time t. Available at that time. That is, if mathematically if I speak, this is dx by dt, that is rate of change in the amount of substance x with respect to time, is proportional to x with the amount of x present at that time. Okay. Now this, if you remove the proportionality sign, you will have dx by dt is equal to kx, or you may have dx by dt is equal to minus kx, depending upon whether the amount has increased or decreased, where k is a constant of proportionality. It is a proportionality constant. So here I can say, if as t increases, this you will have when you will have this part, as t increases, x increases. Okay, as t increases, x increases. Then in that case, you will have to use this one. Okay, and this you will use when as t increases, but x decreases. This we will use in a case of radioactive decay and all those things. Okay. And in both the case, k is a positive quantity only. Okay, whether you take minus kx plus kx, k is positive. Minus and plus sign indicates that as t increases, x increases, you will have kx. As t increases but x decreases, you will have minus kx. So depending upon this, you will get the solution. So if I consider the minus part, suppose I consider the minus part, suppose I take dx by dt is equal to minus kt. So this is in variable separable form. That means, is it dt? It is x now. X. Okay. It is in variable separable form. So dx by x is equal to minus k dt. So on integrating this, what you are going to get? You will get log x is equal to minus kt plus, I will write log c here. Again, that is a constant. So if I simplify this one, x will be equal to what? C into e to the power minus kt. Okay, so at a certain time, at a given time, you can find what is the quantity of that substance. I mean, how much substance is left out. This is the solution. Got it, all of you? Similarly, if I take a plus sign, I will get x is equal to c into e to the power kt itself. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us solve the problem. Yeah, let us solve one particular problem here. Here is the question. Bacteria in a culture grows exponentially so that the initial number has doubled in 3 hours. Okay, bacteria is growing exponentially. In what way it is growing? In 3 hours, it has been increased to how many times? Double. 2 times it has been increased. Now the question is, how many times the initial number will be present after 9 hours? How many times the initial, that means how many times it is increased after 9 hours? Okay, this is the question. So let initially we'll assume t is equal to 0. The number of bacteria be x. Okay, the number of bacteria. This nothing is given, just it is a statement given. Initially there is some quantity. After 3 hours it has been doubled. The question is, after 9 hours, how many times it has been doubled from the initial quantity? This is the question. Okay, so let the number of bacteria be A. So after 9 hours, we need to find how many times of A bacteria is present. Got it? Understood, all of you? See, this kind of questions you have to read at least two to three times. Then only you will able to understand what is given, what they are asking, how to form the solution. Got it, all of you? This particular one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So it is not necessary you use the variables what I'm using. It's your wish. Whichever variable you are taking, you have to explain it in the solution part. So at t is equal to, initially the number of bacteria is A. Okay. Now let n of t be the number at time t. Okay, at some time you will have some amount of bacteria. Let it be n of t. Now, since the bacteria grows exponentially, n of t is governed by the differential equation dn by dt is equal to k times of n. Okay, n represents the number of bacteria at time t. Then and since it grows exponentially, so the differential equation will be dn by dt is equal to k times of n. Remember, I have written here called plus sign. Okay, no minus sign. Why? Because my bacteria is increasing as time. Yeah, it is exponentially it is increasing. Okay, doesn't matter exponentially or not, but the bacteria is growing out. So this is what you will get. So on solving this differential equation, what you will get? N is equal to c times of e to the power kt you will get. Just now I have explained the solution of the original one with a minus k. Okay, instead of minus you have plus k. So this is the solution where c is a constant. Now at t is equal to 0, what is a value? Tell me. Or you can say what is n value instead of a. At t is equal to 0, how much quantity is present? Tell me.
C.
Huh?
C.
A.
A. At t is equal to 0. See here a statement. At t is equal to 0, the initial the number of bacteria is A. We don't know what is the number, just we are assuming it to be some number A. So at T is equal to 0, the number of bacteria is A. So we will substitute here. When you substitute there, what is the result you are going to get? Substitute in this one. So at T is 0, e to the power 0 will be 1. So C value will be equal to how much?
A.
A only you will get. Okay. So that means N is equal to A e to the power KT. Okay, na? Now another thing is also given. At T is equal to 3 hours, what is N? Tell me.
3. 2A.
Huh? It is
2A.
2A. After 3 hours, what happened with the bacteria? It has been doubled. So 2 times. Originally it was A. After 3 hours, the amount has been increased to double. So let us substitute this also. So this will again the substitute here. So you will get 2A is equal to A e to the power K into 3. But now what we need to calculate? We need to calculate at T is equal to 9. Is it or not? So first of all, from this tell me what is K value. Simplify this
1 by
thing.
3 log.
That's it. What is K?
1 by 3 of log 2.
1 by 3 of log 2 to the base E you take. So that is K value. Okay. That means now what do I have? If I substitute everything in here, I will get N is equal to A into E to the power 1 by 2 log 2 times of T. Okay. So this is the solution I have got. Now I need to check at we want what we want. We want N at T is equal to 9. So just write N is equal to A e to the power 1 by 3 log 2 9. You calculate this number. Again it's gone. It's not working here. Please tell me the answer. I'm not able to.
8A.
8
times
8 times. So after 9 hours, the bacteria will be 8 times. The bacteria will be 8 times that was present initially. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, my screen is not working actually. I'm not able to do anything here. Okay. Let us stop here. I'll give few more problems related to this one. You try to solve them. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Let me check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Now give me your attendance.